This this has been here for years on this sidewalk. It is a trip hazard. Somebody could trip on this. Those two potholes have been there for years. It has never been repaired. So I'm going to take it upon myself to repair that so no one will trip over it. And what I have here is a wagon, an empty bucket to mix the cement and the sand. Here's a bucket of sand, and I didn't bother sifting it. I figure I'm not looking for perfection. It's just a sidewalk, whatever. And then here's another bucket, which I'll carry the water in. Here's a spray bottle of water, a paintbrush. I don't know why, but it's here, so I'm not going to question it. A trowel, that's important. Some tape, and a smaller bucket. The reason for the wagon is to carry all this stuff. The pothole is just down the street. Don't need to drive to it. I can just walk to it while pulling all the stuff in the wagon. I saw all this dirt here made by a gopher in a neighbor's yard, so I made use of that. Got about like 11 cups. I see overnight he made a new mound of dirt, so I'm gonna grab that. That's like free dirt for me. Before I fill the potholes with cement, I'm going to use this leaf blower to blow away any dust, any leaves, any dirt, whatever, debris. They don't care. And of course, we can't forget a bag of Portland cement, and there's different mixing ratios depending on the job. I've seen YouTube videos of bricklayers. They use a 4-to-1 ratio. That means 4 of dirt and 1 of Portland cement. So 4 scoops dirt, 1 scoop of Portland cement. I've also seen 3-to-1, so 3 dirt, 1 Portland cement. 5-to-1, even 2-to-1. In my case, I'm going to use 1-to-1, which is 50% cement and 50% dirt. So why am I doing 1-to-1? Well, it's just easier for me to remember, and it's what I'm used to doing. So I'm going to do 1 scoop of Portland cement. Throw that in this bucket. 1 scoop dirt, and put that in this bucket. And I'm going to do about 5 scoops total. So 5 here and 5 here, making 10 total scoops. Once I have all the cement and the dirt in the bucket, I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Now I'm going to add some water. It's not a whole lot of water because you don't want it to be like soup. You want it to be like dough, like Play-Doh. And then just mix it up. Again, it's going to be like dough. Wet dough, not like soup, but wet dough. So the next morning, here's what I've done. It's gonna take a few days to fully cure, dry that is. Extra cement left over, so I patched this hole here. This is a trip hazard, so I made a little ramp and filled a bit of a gap there, but I also ran out of cement, meaning I had to make do with what I had left. And I had a little bit left over in the bucket, so I filled this little hole here. It was like a little lake. It's kind of like this, but wider and deeper. So I was able to fill that too.